Have you ever tried to build something but failed because you didn't have the materials or supplies? Things are getting a little heated, life's not cutting out, your life's just in a twist. Introducing the ELC. Here we have everything. We have transistors, we have laser cutters. We even have this tiny 3D printed octopus. This is where dreams come true, folks. Where dreams come true. Need power cables for your self-driving sofa? We can help with that. Need motor controllers for your custom dartboard videos? We got you covered. Need a 3D camera for your personal robot assistant? We have it. Need KYBER crystals for your custom space laser? We can help with—
Ooh, we actually can't sell you that according to BYU policy.
Oh, sorry. We can't help with that. But wait, there's more. We have a fully stocked machines shop with a lathe, bandsaw, mill, welding station, and hundreds of various hand tools. So you can make this custom wooden Star Trek cutting board. You could spend days, and I mean days, looking at everything we have here in our parts room. You never know what you're going to find. Seriously, dude? You need to get out. But wait, there's more. Introducing the ELC's after-hours ROBO-DISPENSER, available for late nights and weekends when you can't sleep because you're up plotting your latest invention to stop Dr. Doofenshmirtz and you need some wires or parts to do it. Doofenshmirtz doesn't succumb to the enslavement of regular business hours, and neither should you. But that's not all. If you come between the hours of 8 and 5, you can get exclusive access to our world-class TAs. This is a limited time offer, folks.
Hey, we're actually here every day.
Act fast, you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. But wait, there's more. Fun for you here at the ELC.
We love the ELC!
Congratulations! You just saw the tip of the iceberg when it comes to BYU's electrical and computer engineering program. Sadly, this is where we part ways.
To find out more about who we are and who you can become, check out our website and social media channels. Or better yet, come join us. Talented young students like you are always welcome in our spectacular department.
So get out of here, have fun, invent something cool, change the world, and go Cougs!